This video provides instructions how to replace a battery in the OPH-1005. Remove the back cover by pressing the tab and lifting the cover upward. Remove the battery by lifting it from the bottom first. Insert the battery by aligning the pins and placing the top part in first. Then, gently press the bottom into place. Reattach the back cover by inserting the two tabs in the designated recesses. Then press the bottom of the cover until it clicks. You can charge an empty battery in the cradle by aligning the pins and pushing it downwards until it locks into place. It's as simple as that.